Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious croissant egg sandwich. First, select 2 fresh, buttery croissants. Carefully slice each one in half horizontally, leaving a small hinge. You can lightly toast the cut sides for about 1 minute to enhance their texture and warmth. This simple step makes a big difference in your sandwich's foundation. Next, let's prepare the eggs. Whisk 2 large eggs with a tablespoon of milk and a pinch of salt and pepper. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture and gently push the eggs from the edges to the center. Cook for about 2 minutes until they are just set and still slightly moist. Now for the delicious fillings. Place a slice of your favorite cheese, perhaps cheddar or provolone, onto the warm bottom half of the croissant. Spoon the fluffy scrambled eggs directly on top of the cheese. Feel free to add other ingredients like 2 slices of crispy bacon, a slice of ham, or a few slices of ripe avocado for extra flavor and texture. To finish, carefully place the top half of the croissant onto your assembled sandwich, pressing down gently to secure all the delicious layers. Serve your homemade croissant egg sandwich immediately to enjoy it at its best, with the warm, flaky pastry and melted cheese. A sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of your favorite hot sauce can add a wonderful final touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.